Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Guys, last year the whole world was affected by COVID-19 virus, and we have also created a video on this topic which has crossed more than 2000 plus views. But most of our viewers asked for subtitles and captions. But guys, now no worries. Today in this video we will deeply discuss all those facts by which we can say that COVID was not spread through an animal, but actually it was planned. So after this COVID spike, all countries were focused on vaccines, that we need vaccines as soon as possible to control this virus. And now in 2021, finally we got vaccines, and in India we have crossed the mark of 1 billion doses, and most probably by December the whole country will get vaccinated. But when we were researching about this COVID-19 vaccines, we got on data from WITS website, World Integrated Trade Solutions, that COVID-19 vaccines were exported to China, UK, Russia, America, India in 2017 and 18. Now guys, WITS is indirectly or directly is connected with World Bank, which holds all the data of export across the world. And in their official website, it's clearly written medical devices that are now classified by the World Customs Organization as critical to tackling COVID-19. And moreover, when you scroll down, you can easily see that how many medical test kits were actually exported in all these countries in 2018 and 17. And guys, now if you want to re-verify this information, then we have provided the official website link in the description, so you can easily access through that information. But guys, the strange point is that whenever you check out the official website, it's clearly written that HS classification reference based on COVID-19 medical supplies list, second edition, prepared by World Customs Organization and World Health Organization. So it means that there are some secrets of World Health Organization also. So guys, now you have to decide that whether this information is correct or not.
So guys, let's talk about the second fact. In 2013, there's a song uploaded on the YouTube on the name of 𝗚𝗥𝗢𝗪𝗪, and that song is really crazy. It blows our mind because on that song, singer clearly sang that coronavirus in 2020 and economies will get affected or lockdown will be there. I know you won't believe me, but first, let's listen to this song.
The plague of bad things couldn't be eradicated like smallpox in action. Avian influenza with the jet stream is how it happens. 2020 combined with coronavirus, body stacking.
The world is now at the start.
So if we think upon it, now two questions arises. That how much singer is so sure with the both year and the name of the virus which is coming in 2020. Okay, at one aspect we can think it may be a coincidence if he was correct with the name or the date of the virus. But both facts with 100% accuracy, that couldn't be a coincidence. And now if you want to check this song, visit the link in the description and go check when this was uploaded. And do let us know your comments, what you actually thought on it. Now these facts were not related to any scientist or any scientific view. But the American scientist Anthony Fauci, who is having an expertise in allergy and infectious disease, he clearly predicts in 2018 that after 2 years there will be a surprise outbreak of infectious disease, and that Donald Trump will be the one who is confronting it. Now by this fact, I am confused that all these scientists knows everything. Are we the one who don't know everything, and are we the one who don't know what is actually happening in the world? But if you still don't believe on these facts and predictions, just look on the tweet of the Bill Gates. He tweeted in 2019 that after a year, there will be a rise in demand of vaccines. And before 2 months of the COVID outbreak, he arranged a secret events with his Microsoft employees. He illustrated them like if there is any biological war came up, how to manage the work culture. Now the again question arises here. How he was so sure about this pandemic outbreak. So guys, this is all for today, and do let us know your thoughts in the comment section because we are really surprised when we did our research. And if you like this video, share and subscribe. Until then, take care, stay safe. We'll see you next time.